You've been pulled over on the side of the road and the police ask you to take field sobriety test. What are these and how do they work? My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I'm a DUI lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. The field sobriety tests are known commonly as the standardized field sobriety tests, and there are three of them. The first one is the eye test. The eye test has another name, the horizontal gaze nystagmus. That's also known as HGN for short, because most people can't even say nystagmus. What nystagmus is, it's an involuntary jerking of the eye. The police are looking for different movements that your eye makes as you follow their finger. It is a test where they have to make 14 passes and it has to take at least 82 seconds. It's very complicated and very easy to mess up that procedure. An important note about the HGN test is that police like to comment on its scientific test and its reliability. There are many things that cause HGN outside of alcohol, such as high blood pressure, aspirin, caffeine, fatigue, and even diet. So there are many causes, which most people that are pulled over late at night are already fatigued and probably have had caffeine. So there are many causes of actual HGN. The other tests are coordination tests. Now what those are the walk and turn and the one-legged stand. The walk and turn test, they're making sure that you don't start too early. So if you've watched a DUI video or you've watched Cops, don't start before they tell you to start, even if you've seen it before. Basically, you're walking heel to toe, you're doing a real goofy turn. Pay a lot of attention to how they describe how you do that turn, because they'll mark you off if you don't do it exactly correctly, and you walk back. The other test is the one-legged stand, where you stand on one leg and you count to 30 seconds and try and maintain your balance. The difficult part in passing both of those coordination tests is that the police will not tell you while you're on the side of the road what they're looking for. Now imagine going into school and walking into the classroom and the teacher saying, "You have a test today." And you sit down to take it and you say, "Well, I don't even know what the topic is." What are the chances, do you think, of you passing that test? You know, you might get lucky and pass, but it's pretty hard to pass a test if you don't even know what you're being tested on. So there's a lot of issues with the field sobriety test. Any other test that they give you outside of those three is not a standardized field sobriety test and not part of their training. So they make you touch your fingers or do the alphabet, count backwards, jump up and down and look like a monkey. That stuff is not part of the field sobriety test. If you've been pulled over and charged with a DUI, go ahead and give me a call. We can discuss your case and how I can help you out. My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I look forward to talking to you and look forward to seeing you.